Hello. Today I want to do a Article Forge review and demo. Welcome to my channel, Online Verb, where I make videos about how to make money online. I review different products and software that I use and how to implement that in helping you make money online. And so today we're going to be talking about Article Forge. This is a AI content writing software that I've started using recently, and it is really, really good. I've heard about it for quite a while. And I just started using it, and it really is super easy, fast, and the content is very high quality. So I want to jump right in and show you how this works. So let's go ahead and first we want to talk about what kind of, for an example, let's just talk about, we're going to have a site about yoga. That's the niche for the site. And then the keyword. So maybe what yoga accessories, and one way I get my keyboard, so I just come over and type in yoga accessories, and you see what comes up. Mat, bolster, coupon. When you're just starting out a new site, trying to get longer tail keywords is even better. So let's say maybe yoga accessories for beginners. Okay, so that's probably a good one. So let's go ahead and use that as our keyword. Okay. Let's go put that in here. This will be our keyword that we're going to write an article for. So here I am inside. I'm just going to show you, this is actually my Article Forge account. You can start with a free trial. It's got lots of features which I'll talk about while we're creating this article. So all you do is come in and you say, I want a new article, and you just put in your keyword. Very simple. Choose your language, and then you come down and you choose how long do you want it to be. About 50 words, 250, 500, 750, and 50, or most blogs, you'd ideally want longer content, okay? And when you choose the long content, 1,500 words, it's going to automatically add titles, add section headings, and also auto-generate those section headings for you, okay? Now, it is good to add an image and also add a video. These things help with ranking. Now, you can also have these other options. If you link it to your WordPress blog, it'll actually post it there, and it can rewrite it if you integrate with Word AI. So let's just go ahead and get this started, and then we'll talk more about the specifics. So it's working. Let's go ahead and look down here. It is 6:55 p.m. Okay, so let me just go here and note that we start time was 6:55 p.m. that Article Forge started. You can see it's already putting it together. So let's just talk about Article Forge. So it's AI, artificial intelligence, and one of the nice things that it does, to me one of the things that really is great about it is it allows you to create long-form content very quickly and very easily, saving you tons and tons of time. And also money. If you pay others to write articles for you, you can save a ton of money. The other nice thing is that it's SEO optimized, right? Google, they use AI to determine what an article is about and the quality and the relevancy of the content. And so Article Forge uses the same type of algorithms when generating content. So it writes high quality, topically rich, and useful content, okay? And if you go to their Article Forge site, you can see they have some example articles that were written by Article Forge. And so you can go down here in these examples. Here's a SEO strategy article. And you can see the keyword was how to create an SEO strategy. And they chose the 1,500 words. You can go and look at video game bosses. This is about 750 word article, an article about New York City. So you got a travel blog. Look at that. Here's a 1,500 word article about what to do in New York City. And so you can really use this across any niche. Okay, here's a physical fitness niche, how to improve physical fitness, 750 word article. So you can go on here and you can read these, you can see the quality, and it's awesome. Now, Article Forge, they do have a 5-day free trial, so you can go in, you can try it, you can write the content, you can use that content during the free trial. So even if you never sign up, you can use that content. Now, it doesn't work quite this simply. I mean, it is simple as far as you saw what I did. I put my keyword in, I chose my article length, and then, I chose a couple of requirements to add an image and to also add a video. It doesn't quite work as fast as 60 seconds, but it does work very quickly for the length of content. Now, if you're doing shorter articles like the 50 and 250 word articles, yeah, it only takes about a minute or two. It's very quick, okay? And it'll pass Copyscape. So actually, I should probably go in. Let's log into Copyscape, just so that when the article finishes, we'll go ahead and run it through Copyscape. Okay, so you can see that it is unique content as well. And you can see it's still working. It's finishing up. We're about 3 minutes in right now. And then you have, the 5-day free trial. They do have 3 different pricing plans, where you pay monthly, which is obviously going to be more, versus yearly, and how many words you get per month. Okay. Now, the nice thing is, once you go in and get your account set up, you can actually have it set up to where you can connect it to your WordPress blog. You can schedule posts to go out. You can see what your usage information is, and it has an API. So if you're using, I know there's certain WordPress plugins out there that integrate with Article Forge, and so you can use their API to go ahead and get content added from Article Forge automatically to your WordPress site, whether you have it connected through WordPress up here or not. And then you can also, schedule content. Now, I don't integrate those. What I do right now is I manually upload my content because it's not that hard. And then you can also, what you'll see when it comes up is that you can, spin it. If you're connected with WordAI, WordAI is Article Forge's rewriter program, and so they integrate well with each other. When I rewrite my things, I actually use Quillbot, which works well. WordAI also works very well. So you could go either way if you want to integrate your content. So what I'm going to do is, while this is finishing up, I'm going to go ahead and just put this video on pause, and then we'll come back to it when it finishes, which should be in just a few minutes. Okay, and I'm back. So it just finished, and let's go ahead and see what the time is. It is 7 o'clock. Oh, just turned to 7:01. Okay, and if you remember, we started this at 6:55, and the end time was, we'll say, 7:01. Okay, so it took 6 minutes to write a 1,500-word article, include an image and include a video. So let's go ahead and click here to see the result, and it's going to open up the article. And as you can see, they put an image in, the keyword is at top, and then they have some headings: a meditation cushion, eye pillow, a yoga bolster, yoga mat bag, yoga wheel kit. So, they give you, and then they have the video at the bottom. Now, you can do spin tags if you'd like. You can save it, rewrite it with WordAI. What I usually do, will come in here, and you can either copy the text. I go into HTML and I hit copy, and then I just import that into my WordPress blog. Okay. You can also export this text as a text file, HTML, which we just showed, as a PDF, or if you're connected to your WordPress blog, you can post it directly. But let's just read through this a little bit, okay? When it comes to yoga accessories for beginners, there are several essential items you should consider. These include a mat bag, eye pillow, and meditation cushion. You can also purchase a yoga bolster for extra support. The following tips will help you decide what equipment you need for yoga. Also, consider the safety of your mat and the needs of your body during the yoga workout. It is recommended that you practice yoga on a mat covered in a non-slip material. So it reads really nicely, okay? Now, let's copy this text. Let's go and let me log in to my Copyscape account. Let's go ahead and paste that in here and run a search. So we started with $8.87. Now it's down to $8.70. No results, okay? 1,587 words in the article that was created, right? We asked for about a 1,500-word article. It was a little over that. And sometimes it'll be a little less than 1,500. Sometimes it'll be more. I've had articles that I created that were almost 1,800 words. And you can see there are no results found on the internet. This is completely unique content, well written, completely researched, that you didn't have to do anything except add your keyword and hit start. And so this is my new content generator for my niche website. So if you're interested in trying Article Forge, I really encourage you to give it a try. It is super easy. It does a great job, puts out high quality content. You can certainly edit it in any way that you like. You can add your own voice. You can, add more, take away. You can edit, add more images. So you have full control over how the content looks once you put it on your site. But this type of article would have taken literally several hours, because you'd have to go out and do the research, you'd have to write it, you'd have to make sure it's unique, etc. But Article Forge does that for you. So I hope you found this review helpful. If you want to give Article Forge a try, I'll leave a link in the description box below. It is an affiliate link. Thanks so much if you decide to use it. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe so you can receive future content when I put it out. Thanks so much for watching.